in the real world, like I said, weather forecasting, car insurance pricing, certain individuals are priced higher than other individuals. Why? Because of the likelihood of getting into a car accident, the likelihood of getting in a car accident depending on where you live, medical treatments. A lot of medical treatments are here today and work because they've gone through experiments, they've gone through trials to figure out what's the probability, what's the greatest chance of survival with taking this particular medication or going through this particular medical scenario. Your social media posts, try to keep it fun. What are the chances of you going viral? What makes a video go viral? There's actually data information out there that you can put a number on the high probability of you going viral versus the low probability of you going viral. I did rock, paper, scissors. If you remember that as a kid, you play rock, paper, scissors. What is the chance of you winning? How high likely is that chance? And then my all-time favorite, which I kind of laugh at, is at the grocery line. If I switch from this line, this slow line, to this line over here, what is the chance that my line's going to move faster? At the end of all of that, at its very foundational level, again, it is probability.